Welcome to One Stop ESL Vocabulary. Today's lesson is on cooking verbs, and this is part 1. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at cooking verbs. There will be a quiz, a matching quiz, and a review. Let's get to it. Have a look at the pictures and say the word with me. Bake, bake. She bakes a cake. Boil, boil. The water in the pot needs to boil. Barbecue, barbecue. That's the easiest way to remember. Barbecue, barbecue. Or sometimes it's called grill, grill. I love a barbecue on the weekends. Carve, carve. Carve the meat. That means to cut. Chop, chop. Chop the onion. Fry, fry. Fry the egg on the saucepan. Grate, grate. Grate the cheese. Knead, knead. Remember the K is silent. Knead. Knead the dough to make some bread. Mash, mash. Mash the potatoes to make potato mash. Melt, melt. Melt the butter to make it liquid. Peel, peel. Peel the fruit. Pour, pour. Pour the teapot. Roast, roast. Roast the chicken in the oven. Season, season. This means to put salt and pepper in the cooking. Serve, serve. The waiter serves you the food. Slice, slice. This is a slice of bread. Spread, spread. Spread the butter on the bread. Squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze the orange to make some juice. Marinate, marinate. This means to cook the meat in a sauce to add flavour. So you've got salt and pepper and other seasoning like spicy herbs. Okay, what's this cooking verb? Sprinkle, sprinkle, to sprinkle chocolate on the ice cream. Steam, steam, to steam rice over hot water to cook it. Stir fry, stir fry, to cook vegetables quickly in a wok. Poach, poach, when you cook in hot water. Break, break, or crack, crack. Break the eggs, crack the eggs. You can use either. Your turn. Look at the words and match them with the pictures. Let's look at the words. Boil, knead, bake, fry, stir fry, barbecue or grill, roast, sprinkle, steam, melt. Okay, look at this picture. Okay, did you choose this one? Sprinkle. Give yourself a point if you got that right. Okay. Next picture. This is an easy one. Yes. Barbecue. Barbecue. Well done. Number 3, bake. She bakes some biscuits or some cookies. Bake. This one, number 4. Steam. Steam. And this one, water boils. Boil. Boil the water. How are you going? 5 out of 5? Hope so. Okay, this looks like a roast chicken. Roast. Number 7. Melt. Melt. This one. Fry. Fry. Fry the eggs, and that looks like bacon. Bacon and eggs, yes. Number 9. Stir fry. Stir fry. Number 10. Knead. Knead. Remember, silent K. Knead. Well, I hope you got 10 out of 10, but never mind if you didn't. You can watch it again. Okay, here we go. Next. Review. Again, look at the pictures, and this time write down the words to match the picture on a piece of paper. Okay? See if you remember the spelling. Okay, here we go. Number 1. Let's see if you got the spelling right. Chop. Chop. It's a ch C-H-O-P, chop. Spread, spread, S-P-R-E-A-D, spread the butter on the bread. Grate, grate, grate the cheese. Squeeze, S-Q-U, Q-U often go together, double E-Z-E, squeeze. How are you going so far? Okay, let's continue. Slice, slice, S-L-I-C-E, cut a slice of bread. Bake, bake, B-A-K-E, bake a cake. Boil, boil, boil the water. And this one, lucky last, knead, K-N-E-A-D, but we say it N-E-A-D, knead. Knead the dough to make some bread. If you got any spelling wrong, copy out the answers and write them 3 times each so you remember. Okay, that brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, you can watch this as many times as you like. And if you like the lesson, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye for now.